Alright, just a quick video. This is kind of what the shop has turned into, and this is kind of a average morning for the shop. You'll see here in a second. All my hats, my gun wall, well, one of the gun walls. Got my MG42, my grenade, got my tanks, the holy hand grenade, a regular grenade, and we got a part of a submarine over here going. And over here we got the rear half of the Searcher from Buck Rogers. The trigger for the Halo Magnum is punching up here in a few. Excuse my mess, that's kind of my dumping ground. The Cricut, the little Cricut Joy, which is really neat to do stencils and decals. My flight sim. Yeah, a lot of screens on my planes. My painting station, here I am working on the Magnum. And that's a bit of my chaos when I'm painting. And we cleared out the glow forge, put it in the other room, so I got a little work table now. So right now I'm using it kind of as a spray paint, but I gotta be careful what I'm painting with overspray and all that. The Hetzer, he's ready for priming. Nikki's mess, that's where she does her stuff. And rest of my tools. But yeah, this is the workshop as it stands now. And a typical morning. Got prints going, paint being slung, all that fun stuff. Well, talk to y'all later. Bye.